Mabuhay, kamabuhayers! Welcome to my vlog, my careers, my kamabuhayers, ka-YouTubers, ka-Facebook, and everyone on Facebook. Once again, another edition of my edition of this year's vlog, a day in the life of the retired teacher. Here I am, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, ganda. Buhay, long live, good person, good life, good person. My location now we like to cover is the celebration of Davao here in front of City Hall of Davao. Happy Chinese New Year! Welcome, year 2025. Amazing! Yeah, this is in front of Davao City Hall. Welcome, 2025, Chinese New Year. I love red so much. It means blessings, power, and authority. Okay, let's have some captured episodes here. So this is it. City Hall of Davao. Amazing Davao. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Happy Chinese New Year. Welcome to Davao. Okay, let's go over here. Chinese Sojak. Rabbit. Okay, what is your birthday? Kamabuhayers. So, birthday of Rabbit is 1932, 1944, 1956, 68, 1980, 1992, 2004, 2016, 2028, 2040. So the characteristics of the Chinese zodiac sign, the rabbit. Gentle, compassionate, creative. The rabbit, like peace and harmony in its surroundings. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, the dragon, Chinese calendar. Welcome New Year, Chinese calendar. 1928, what's your birthday? Oh, 1940, 1952, 1964, 1976. Where's my birthday? 1988, 2000, 2012, 2024, 2036. Oh, the year of the dragon. So these are the years of the year of the dragons. What are the characteristics of charismatic? If you are a dragon zodiac sign, powerful, ambitious. The dragon is a symbol of strength and good fortune. Wow, amazing. Okay, another Chinese zodiac sign. You have the dog. 1934, 1946. These are the year of the dog. 58, 70, 1980. 82, 1994, 2006, 2018, 2030, 2042. Characteristics of the dog. Loyal, trustworthy, and protective. The dog is compassionate and always stands up for what's right. So welcome kamabuhayers. So this is it. Perfect, picture perfect. So as you can see, there are many young people here having their picture perfect in front of Unitap. Okay, happy Chinese New Year 2025. Let's have again Chinese zodiac. The ox. Okay, year of the ox. Let's have it. 1925, 1937, 1949, 1961. 1973, 1985, 1987, 2009, 2021, 2033. What are the characteristics of Chinese zodiac? Ox, strong, determined, reliable. The ox is known for its hardworking nature and steadfast loyalty. What's your Chinese zodiac sign? I think mine is tiger. Yeah, but there's no tiger yet. Perhaps it was not yet installed. Okay, let's have a glimpse of the roaster. Okay, the year of the roaster, 1933, 1945, 1957, 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005, 2017, 2029, 2041. Confident, honest, wow, hardworking. The roaster is practical, ambitious, and detail-oriented. Wow, so amazing! Kamabuhayers. What is your zodiac sign? Okay, let's have the goat now. Okay, the year of the goat. We have 1931, 1943, 1955, 1967, 1979, 1991, 2003, 2015, 2027, 2039. What are the characteristics of this zodiac sign? The kambing or the goat. We have creative, gentle, empathetic. Yeah, putting your shoes in the shoes of others. That's empathy. Having compassion, the feelings of others. So, beauty and tranquility. Often expressing artistic talents. Wow, amazing. So, kamabuhay. Do you belong to that? I cannot find mine. There's no tiger yet. Perhaps it was not yet installed. I'll be back here later. So it's just in front of Unitap Davao, the location of the City Hall. So amazing Davao. This is it. Come now everyone and enjoy your perfect moments. Perfect moments. Only here in City Hall of Davao. Beauty spot. Everyone is welcome there. Chinese New Year of City Hall Davao. Yeah. So thank you everyone, kamabuhay, for joining me always. My edition. Of course, Davao is known as the Dorian City, land of the eagle. And life is here with the super governance that is excellent. Only here in Davao City. So, mabuhay everyone. Mabuhay ka, mabuhay. Live and alive. I am your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Live and alive here in Davao City Hall. Life is here. Happy Chinese New Year, everyone. Mabuhay. I am your teacher vlogger, Mama Buhay, retired teacher, Ma'am Darna, Mama Buhay, and vlogger of the century. Retired teacher, mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, good life. Good life, good person. If what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. If there's no picture or video, it did not happen. So I'm having this vlog. Okay, Ilonggo girl is already here in Davao City. Life is here. The disciplined people, respectful. Davao is known for cleanliness and safety. So, come now. Let's celebrate Happy Chinese New Year! Kong Hei Fat Choi! Bye everyone! So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube Mabuhay channel, my Facebook account, and my page, including my reels. I'm your teacher vlogger, retired teacher, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Thank you everyone! Mama Buhay, Ma'am Darna, Ma'am Selfie Queen, and Ma'am Vlogger of the Century. Signing off. Mabuhay everyone. Kamabuhay and mabuhayers.